Good morning students. Welcome back to biology online class. In last session we have discussed about water, underground water and the depletion of underground water. Okay, the water is enter into the soil. Water is present in under the soil is known as underground water, and decreasing the amount of underground water is known as depletion of water. Depletion of water. Okay, they have many reasons to depletion of water. We are discussed in last session depletion of underground water. There is constructing the apartments, buildings, and increasing population in day by day. It is demand for using more water. That result decreasing the underground of water. Water is a natural resource, but nowadays it is not available freely in the nature. We are going for drinking purpose, pure water. Okay, more water is waste. This water is enter into the drainage canals. Even rainwater also enter into the rivers, ponds, lakes and oceans. Ocean water also we should not drink. It is unfit for drinking. It have a lot of salts. There is reasons for depletion of underground water is increasing population and increasing industries. Then industries are using lot of water. Industries are using lot of water. It is sending out through the pipes in the rivers, ponds and lakes. Then pure water also polluted because industries are using some chemicals. These chemicals are entered into the rivers, ponds and lakes. It is damaging the aquatic organisms. Then agricultural activities. People are using more water for crops. Without water, plants they cannot live. Plants they cannot live. Even human beings also they cannot live without water. Water is essential for our life. That's why save water and save the life. Okay. Then now we will discuss about the topic is distribution of water. Distribution of water means water is not distributing over the areas, all over the areas. In some areas have heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall, it causes the floods. It causes the floods. And some areas is no rainfall or scarcity rainfall. It is causing drought prone conditions. Drought conditions. Even floods also is problem. Drought conditions also is problem. Even floods occurs, plants, animals and human beings also moving along with water. It is died by peoples or animals and plants also. Then drought condition also is problem because scarcity of water, even peoples or human beings, plants, animals also will die in the scarcity of water. Okay, because if sufficient water is available on the earth, that result even plants and animals, human beings also living happily on the earth. It is one of the renewable resource. It is a renewable resource. But nowadays it is a non-renewable because people are using lot of water, wastage of water. That result it is a non-renewable. Means it is not available freely in the nature. Now we are buying for drinking purpose. Okay, the people are using some methods recycling of water. That is better to some areas supplying water through the pipes and taps also. Okay, in some plants are living in water. Plants are habitat for water. Some plants are live in water. They are known as aquatic plants. They are known as aquatic plants. Aquatic plants. For example, lotus, Wisteria, Hydrilla, Eichhornia, water lily. These are the examples of aquatic plants. In some animals are live in water, they are called aquatic animals. Some animals are called aquatic animals. Aquatic animals, for example, fish, whale, dolphins, even squids, starfish, amoeba, hydra. These are organisms are live in water. They are known as aquatic animals. Distribution of water. Then all over the world, water is not fall evenly. It is falling uneven. The water is distributing uneven on the land. In some areas occurs overfloods and some areas are drought-prone conditions. Overfloods also is problem. Then drought conditions also is problem. Then floods occurs. The plant should not available air and minerals. These are plants will be there. Even fertilizers and chemicals also moving along with the water. Then overfloods also danger on the earth. Then drought prone areas. Then scarcity of water. Plants they cannot prepare food by the process of photosynthesis and they cannot do respiration and nutrients and oxygen should not transport different parts of the plant. This is also problem in the drought prone conditions. Okay, but what is available is sufficient amount on the land. Some plants are living in water. They are called aquatic plants. For example, lotus, Wisteria, Hydrilla, etc. Some animals are living in water. They are called aquatic animals. Example, fish, whale, dolphins, etc. It is about the distribution of water. Next one is water conservation. Water conservation means the water is collecting in different ways. Should not avoid wastage of water. Should avoid the wastage of water. It is known as water conservation. Any leakage of taps should be repaired. Repair the leakage of taps. Repair the leakage of taps. Even to collect water in dams and reservoirs or to store water. Dams and reservoirs to store water in dams and reservoirs. Then farmers use water. Farmers use better methods to supplying of water. For example, drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation. falling drop by drop near the